Good afternoon, honorable judges, fellow debaters, and esteemed audience members. Once again, I'm Student Davina Kortee, the first speaker for the affirmative side in today's debate. The motion we are here to discuss today is, this House believes the library should construct a database profile for its citizens. Before this House dive into the arguments, let's first define some key terms in the motion. The term construct refers to the act of building or creating something, in this case, a comprehensive database. The term database means that the profile will be based on factual information, statistics, and collection of information about an individual, including the demographics, preferences, behaviors, and other relevant details. And lastly, the term profile refers to the description or representation of someone or something. Now let's move on to our topic for why library should deconstruct a database profile for its citizens. Considering the below benefits, which is divided into 8 counts in our argument, count 1 to count 5 will be presented for this argument, and count 6 to count 8 will be presented by our second speaker, Student Harriet C. Casey. Count 1. Esteemed judges, establishing a database profile for citizens of Liberia will enhance governance and public service delivery. By having access to accurate and up-to-date information about the population, the government can better plan and allocate resources to address the needs of the people. This is supported by Article 6 of the Liberian Constitution, which mandates the government to ensure equitable distribution of public services to all of its citizens. Count 2. Esteemed judges, a centralized database can improve security and law enforcement within this country. With a comprehensive citizen profile, the authorities can easily track individuals involved in criminal activities, monitor potential security threats, and prevent crimes before it occurs. This is in line with Article 2 of the Liberian Constitution, which mandates the government to promote peace, unity, security, and national unity. Count 3. Esteemed judges, a database profile can facilitate efficient public health management and emergency response. By having information on citizens' health status, medical history, and location, the government can quickly respond to disease outbreaks, provide timely healthcare services, and ensure the well-being of the population. This aligns with Article 13C of the Liberian Constitution, which guarantees the rights to healthcare for all of its citizens. Count 4. Esteemed judges, a database profile can enhance transparency and accountability in governance. By making citizen information easily accessible to the public, government processes can be more open and accountable, reducing corruption and promoting trust in the system. This is in accordance with Article 31 of the Liberian Constitution, which mandates transparency and accountability in management of public affairs. Count 5. Esteemed judges, some ways how Liberia can construct a database profile for its citizens and choose the implementation of a national identification system. This system will assign each citizen a unique identification number and store the personal information in a centralized database. One example of a country that has successfully implemented a national identification system is India. In 2009, India launched the AHAR program, which assigns a unique 12-digit identification number to each citizen based on their biometric and demographics information. This system has enabled the Indian government to efficiently deliver social welfare benefits and improve tax collection efforts and combat identity fraud. Furthermore, Liberia will use existing technology such as the mobile technology to collect and store citizen data. For example, on November 7, 2013, Kenya successfully implemented a mobile-based identification system called Huduma Dabar, which allows citizens to register and access government services using their mobile phones. This type of technologies can be adapted for use in Liberia to reach remote and underserved population. In conclusion, the construction of a database profile for Liberian citizens is essential for the country's development, security, and well-being. By using technology to collect and manage citizen information, the government can better serve the needs of the population, ensure transparency and accountability, and promote inclusive growth. Therefore, we urge you all to vote in favor of the motion and support the establishment of a centralized database for citizen profile in Liberia, taking all of our counts into consideration. Team opposition, before I take my seat, how do you justify denying citizens access to services and benefits that require a database profile for verification? Thank you.
She left.